Okay, here we go, guys. So here's part 2 of my bigger stash. These are much more. Okay, so we have an air defense, 100 shots. Number 5 bouquet to green shell. Tons of bottle rockets down there. It's gross. Okay, wolf packs, fluoro shells, double night parachutes, mighty mites, mini mortars. We got the Guardian in the Spring, Toot and Toro, and we got the Great American Celebration. Love this one. Good 12 shotter. Took off the back and just started to rip. I just want to look at the how big the shells were. And I'm gonna show you what's in this Nike box. 1 second.